If Notion is your second brain, your company wiki, or your primary database, you're living on borrowed time if you don't have an automated offsite backup. One rogue third-party integration or one bad batch operation, and months of structured data vanish. Today, we are fixing that though. We're going to set up automated, scheduled Notion backups and inspecting the raw content directly inside SimpleBackups. No code required. Let's get into it. Let's go ahead and create a Notion backup. From here, we can connect our Notion workspace. Let's go ahead and do that. Notion's security model gives you granular control over what you can share. You can grant access to specific database trees or authorize your entire root workspace. Let's go ahead and select what we want. So I'm going to select everything for now because I want my entire Notion workspace to be backed up. Go ahead and click on Allow Access and wait for it to authorize. You can here select what you want backed up. Right now I just want pages and databases and blogs to be backed up. So I'm going to leave it as it is. I'm going to call this backup Personal Workspace. Whether you want your files landed on your own S3 bucket, Google Cloud Storage, DigitalOcean, or your own Google Drive, SimpleBackups can handle that. Your data lives where you want. For now, I'm going to use SimpleBackup or Simple Storage. So let's do that. Then set your schedule. Let's put this on a daily run. This is going to run every night at 3 a.m. and it's going to keep the last 7 days worth of backups. Alright, this is great. Let's go ahead and create that backup. And it looks like the backup has been created. Let's click Run Now to fire off our first manual backup. The job has finished. Here's my favorite feature though. You don't have to download a massive zip archive to your local machine just to verify that your data is safe. Right from inside SimpleBackups, you can navigate to the backup that you want to inspect. Click on Restore, and from here you can select Preview Backup. Then you can generate a preview and view it locally. And this is really incredible. SimpleBackups parses your workspace into clean structured data, pages, block, hierarchies, embedded assets, and database schemas. You can drill down through your folder tree and preview the markdown directly in your browser. Total visibility, zero guesswork, and complete peace of mind. And that is all there is to it. Your Notion workspace is now automatically backed up offsite, completely isolated from vendor lock-in or accidental deletion. Head over to SimpleBackups.com, start a free trial, and secure your Notion workspace today. And if this video saved you a headache, hit the like button, subscribe for more workflow guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.